Most Gen Xers struggle with AI because we treat it like a fancy calculator from the 90s, not a thinking partner that speaks our language. The gap between those who make AI do their bidding and those fumbling with generic responses is widening fast. I'm the Gen X AI prompt queen, with 20-plus years crushing corporate chaos as a mom, exec, and now AI whisperer building six-figure side hustles, and this is my AI clone. The queen is either at her real job, creating her next video, fishing, or out with the dogs. In this video, you get my exact 7-step roadmap to master prompts like the top 1% in just 30 days, even if tech makes you roll your eyes. Here's the truth. AI like ChatGPT doesn't understand like your kids do. It predicts words like autocomplete on steroids. Think tokens turned into number clouds in a math universe. Similar ideas cluster close, so sharp prompts pull genius answers from the fog. No more fix my email disasters. Speak its language, and it becomes your executive assistant, handling emails, meal plans, and resumes while you sip coffee. This alone catapults you past 90% of users. Pick one tool. ChatGPT if you're practical like us Gen Xers. Ditch tool hopping. Master its rhythm like learning guitar after drums. Use my AIM framework. A. Actor. You are a no BS exec assistant for busy Gen X moms. I. Input. Paste your messy email draft plus job context. M. Mission. Rewrite in 5 bullets. Punchy, measurable wins. My voice. Sarcastic but pro. Bad. Make this better. Good. That AIM prompt lands interviews. Practice daily. By week's end, prompts flow without thinking. You're now top 10%. Even the smartest AI flops without your map. Map builds it. M. Memory. Recall our last chat on resume tweaks. A. Assets. Attach family calendar, budget spreadsheet. A. Actions. Search latest Gen X career stats. P. Prompt. Tie it together. Outputs go from clueless to custom. Like AI planning your kid's soccer-packed week with grocery lists. When AI is off, debug like pros. Chain of thought. Think step by step. Show reasoning, then final answer. Use the verifier. Ask 3 questions to nail my intent, one at a time. Refinement. Suggest 2 sharper versions of my prompt. I'll pick. I fought early AI like dial-up. Now we iterate as partners. Ask it, why that answer? Boom. Magic. AI hallucinates confidently? 68% divorce stat? Lies. Verify with my 5 checks. Assumptions. List yours. Rank confidence. Sources. Cite 2 independent sources with URL plus quote. Counter evidence. Find 1 disagreement. Explain. Audit. Recompute numbers. Show math. Cross-model. Run in Claude. Critique with Gemini. Control reclaimed. No more echo chamber. You're expert level now. Don't use vending machine AI that is obvious and bland. LinkedIn spots it. Spar with it using Ocean. O. Original. 3 non-obvious angles. Label 1 risky. C. Concrete. Back with real Gen X examples / numbers. E. Evident. 3-bullet logic plus evidence first. A. Assertive. Pick a side, thesis, counterpoint. N. Narrative. Hook problem, insight proof, action story. Turn meh into that's me. Posts that convert. Plans that stick. Over 30 days, every prompt trains AI and you. We Gen Xers built empires sans apps. AI restores that worth, amplifying your grit. Not replacing moms or execs, but freeing you for what matters. Family, freedom, fun. Gap closes. You lead. Apply week 1 AIM today. Comment your first prompt win. Subscribe for weekly Gen X AI cheat sheets. Hit like if you're claiming your crown. Links below. Peace out.